Hello friends, welcome to Textile. In this video, we'll make a very simple IoT based home automation project using the ESP8266 and Cadio. To make this project, you don't have to write a single line code, you just have to upload the Cadio firmware to ESP8266, then configure it from their mobile app. After that, you can able to control all your appliances with Cadio, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and if there is no internet, still you can control the appliances manually with switches. And you can also add timer and create a scheduler to control these appliances automatically. And of course, I have used their free plan, so after watching the video, anyone can make this IoT project. But before going to the details, let me show you how this project works. Here you can see this blue LED is glowing, which indicates the ESP8266 is connected with the Wi-Fi. So first let me control the appliances with Cadio. Now let me control the appliances manually with these switches, and you can monitor the real-time feedback on Cadio. Now let me control it with voice command. Turn on outdoor light. You can see the lamp turns on. Now let me go to Google Home app. So from this app, let me turn off the outdoor light. You can see the lamp turns off. Now let me ask Google Assistant, hey Google, turn on all the light.
Sure, turning on 4 lights.
Now let me go to Amazon Alexa. So from this app, first let me turn off all the lamps, and I can also control the lamps individually. Now let me ask Alexa, turn on outdoor light.
Okay.
You can see the lamp turns on. Now let me turn off the Wi-Fi to show you how it works without internet. After turning off the Wi-Fi, you can see the LED is blinking, which indicates it is not connected with the Wi-Fi. So I can only control the appliances manually with these switches. Now let me turn on the Wi-Fi again. If the Wi-Fi is available, the ESP8266 will automatically reconnect with the Wi-Fi. And here you can see the LED is glowing, so I can control the appliances with Cadio. Currently the second and third lamp is on. Now let me turn off the complete supply. The ESP8266 do not have any power supply right now. Now let me turn on the supply again. Now here you can see after turning on the supply, the second, third lamp automatically turns on. So it can also remember the previous states. So this is a very useful IoT project. So without any further delay, let's get started. To make this project, you just need a ESP8266 relay module and switches, and you have to connect these components as per the circuit diagram. The circuit is very simple. I have given the 5V DC supply, and these latch switches are connected across the GPIO pins and the ground pin. Now if you use latch switch, then the switch 2, which is connected with the D3 pin, must be turned off during the booting process of the NodeMCU, otherwise the booting process will fail. But if you use push button, then there is no such limitation. In the circuit, you can see relay 1 is connected with the D1 pin, switch 1 is connected with the SD3 pin, and from this picture you can see D1 is GPIO 5, SD3 is GPIO 10. So you need these GPIO numbers while configuring the ESP8266. So I will recommend you to prepare this type of chart as per your circuit and mention the GPIO details for all the relay pins and the switch pins. Although you can make this circuit without using any PCB, but just to avoid any loose connection and make the circuit compact, I have designed this PCB for this project and order it from the JLC PCB. With JLC PCB, you can order any type of PCB at very affordable price. Let me show you how you can use their PCB assembly service. So I will click here, then upload the GAWA file, select the quantity and color, then turn on this radio button and select the side. Now upload the BOM file and pick and place file. Then you have to select the components which you want to be soldered by JLC PCB. Now click on save to cart and place the order. Now you will receive the PCB as per the delivery option you have selected. In my case, I have received the PCBs within a week, and you can see the quality is very premium in this affordable price. So you can use JLC PCB to get high quality PCB at very affordable price. You can find the link in the description. Now I will connect the ESP8266 with my laptop to upload the firmware. You can download the Cadio firmware from this page. I will share the link in the description. Now from this page, first I will download the ESP8266 firmware. Then I have to download the ESP flash download tool. Now first I will open the flash download tool. Select the chip type ESP8266. Now click on OK. First I will select the SPI speed 40 MHz and SPI mode will be DIO. Then select the proper COM port. Then click on erase to erase the current firmware. Now here it is showing finished, so it is done. Now I will select the firmware file. So let me select the firmware file which you have just downloaded. Then here I will type the address 0x0. Make sure this firmware is selected. Now click on start. Again this will take some time. Now here it is showing finished, so the firmware uploaded successfully. Now we will configure the ESP8266 using the Cadio app. You can download the Cadio app from the Google Play Store or App Store. First let me open the app. Now we have to go to config mode. For that I have to press the reset button of the ESP8266. Then wait for some time until the LEDs start blinking. Now here you can see LEDs are blinking, so it is in config mode. Now we have to turn off the mobile data and connect the hotspot created by the ESP8266. So here you can see I will tap on this Cadio hotspot. Now I will tap on this 3- icon and select configuration. Now from this page you can configure the ESP8266 as per your circuit. So first you can see in the switch mode normal is selected. So if you use this type of latch switch, then you have to select the normal here, but here I am going to use the push button, so I will select press and I will select the relay mode active low. Then in the config button I will select 15, which is D8, and here I will select pull down. Then the Wi-Fi LED will be GPIO 16 and the config LED will be GPIO 2. Now here we have to map the GPIO pins for the relays and switches. So first I will select the type on off. Let me select the on off 4 times as we are going to control 4 relay. Then here I have to select the GPIO details for the first relay, which is 5. For the switch we have used SD3. So the GPIO number is 10. So in this manner I have to select the GPIO details for the next 3 relay and switches. So you can refer this chart if you are using the same circuit. Now I will tap on this tick icon to save it. Then select yes. Then give a unique name. Then tap on enter. Now I will select the Wi-Fi name. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Then I have to give the unit name. Now again I will tap on this tick icon to save it. Now wait for some time, your device will be automatically appear in the dashboard. Now here you can see 4 devices added. Now we can also change this name for each device. So I will long press on the device name, then I will go to setting. Now here I can enter a new name for the first relay. You can give any name, and I can also select a device icon. I will save it. So in this manner let me change all the device name. Now I will add a timer for the first relay. So again I will long press on the button, then I will tap on timer. So here you can define the time and the action. So let me select 1 minute. I have selected 1 minute, and in the action I have selected on. So after 1 minute the first relay should turn on. Now I will save it. You can see the first relay turns on automatically after a minute. Let me turn it off. In a similar way, you can also create a schedule to turn on and off the relays automatically. Now I will quickly connect the Google Home and Amazon Alexa with the Cadio to control it with the Google Assistant and Alexa. Now first let me open the Google Home app. I have already created a home. So I will tap on this plus icon, select setup device, then select works with Google. Then here I have to search for Cadio, then tap on the Cadio. Now select continue. Then I have to log into my Cadio account. Now I have to go to main dashboard, and here you can see all the devices added in the Cadio app. Now let me open the Amazon Alexa app. First I will tap on device. Then here I will select your smart home skill. Then select enable smart home skill. Here you have to search for Cadio, then tap on the Cadio skill, tap on enable to use. Then here you have to log into your Cadio account, then tap on next. This will take some time. Here you can see 4 new device connected. So I will exit from the setup as the device already connected. I will go to device. Then here you can see our device added successfully in the Amazon Alexa app. Now again let me go to the Cadio, and if I press this push button, you can see respective relay turns on. Now in future, if you want to change the Wi-Fi details, you just have to connect a push button across the D8 and 3.3 volt pin. Now press the push button for 3 to 5 seconds and you will find the config LEDs blinking. So it is in config mode. Now again I have to connect the hotspot created by the ESP8266. After that I will tap on 3 dash icon and select configuration. Now here I can again enter the new Wi-Fi details and password and save it. The Wi-Fi credential will be updated and the ESP32 will connect with the new Wi-Fi details. So if you find this project helpful, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. You can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram. You can find a link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.